Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Today's video is super exciting because we are revealing a new airport hack that you can use to double, triple your earnings as an Uber driver and as a Lyft driver. So if you're new to the show, make sure you're subscribed, or if you've watched the show before and you haven't subscribed, just click subscribe. It's free. It helps support the channel and you will actually make more money. That's a fact because we talk about making more money and saving more money too. So let's jump right into this. I wanted to thank our video sponsor, carproductsusa.com. This is an incredible website where you can get all the products that you might need for your car at a cheaper price than you would at on eBay or Amazon or Best Buy or whatever the AutoZone. These are products that are super cheap and super premium quality. So you can go get anything that you might need. First aid kits for your cars, car vomit bags, car cleaning products, and a whole lot more. And right now, when you use our unique link and code, you can get an additional discount at checkout when you go to carproductsusa.com. Thank you for sponsoring the show. Now, this is an airport hack. I've been sharing a lot of these secrets from our private Facebook group. We have a private Facebook group with over 20,000 members and you can join for free where people share these things every single day. This comes from a guy named Michael Forbes. He shared an airport hack that he discovered this hack and he wanted to share with everybody for free. Because we don't have coworkers as Uber drivers, Lyft drivers. At a normal job, you're sitting in your cubicle and you go, hey, Stacy, what do you think about this, new deal I'm doing? You don't got that as an Uber driver. Who are you gonna call up to be like, should I take this ride, should I not? They give you 4 seconds to accept it or not. We need to get creative. That's why you're here on YouTube watching me. That's why you're on Facebook. That's why you are looking online for ways to collaborate with other coworkers. So Michael Forbes shared this. He said, airport hack. Start with reservation or in neighborhood with high probability of passengers to airport rides. By the way, if you're not signed up for Work Solo actually has an integration feature where they show you where, basically which app you're making the most amount of money on, and they actually do guarantee your pay. So you can sign up for little guaranteed pay shifts, and they will send you $10 when you sign up with our link. And this is actually a really good way. I know it's tax season coming up. They help you track your mileage, and you can actually file your taxes through Solo. They have a partnership where you can just sign up for Solo. It's free to sign up, by the way, guys. It's free to sign up. Get your $10. Literally, I don't know how long they're gonna keep doing that because they're literally paying people to sign up. Get your $10, sign up for free anywhere in the country, and they're gonna help you track your mileage. That way you get more tax write-offs. So you don't owe a boatload of taxes. Don't be one of those drivers who they file their taxes. Oh my God, I owe 20 grand in taxes. No, sign up for Solo. They're gonna help you out, okay? So the first step is start with reservation or a neighborhood with high probability of passengers to airport rides. So you guys know the areas, okay? I don't live in Charlotte, North Carolina, but you know those suburbs where they got a lot of money and people are going to the airport, right? Usually around 30, 40 minutes away from the airport. I know where mine are in my area. I know about 3, 4 towns. Whereas a big possibility people go to the airport. And most likely, if there's a 45+ minute ride, they're most likely going straight to the airport. So start there. Then number 2 is drop off the passenger at the airport. Step number 3 is jump ahead 300 drivers waiting in queue. Step 4 is 3 chances to select outbound ride to good neighborhoods and 5 repeat. So that's exactly what you want to do, is you want to essentially turn your app off or don't accept rides until you're in one of those neighborhoods that have a high probability, and look up in your area, do some research online, join a local Facebook group, and figure out where's the people who have the most amount of money that are gonna go to the airport. I'm not talking about 5-10 minutes away from the airport. I'm talking about 30 to 40 minutes from the airport, because you get a ride in, make 50, 60 bucks on one of those rides, then get a ride away from the airport, try to get one that's going back to one of those neighborhoods, and write down 6 to 7 neighborhoods that you like to do, so that way you're just doing airport rides. You don't wanna get stuck doing 5-minute ride here, 5-minute ride there. So you can do one of these rides, and look what he shared. He shared these screenshots. $190 in a single day, 40 bucks for 28 minutes, $41 for 38 minutes, $32 for a 9-minute ride, guys, 48 bucks for 28 minutes. And you do a couple of these in an hour and you're making 60, 70, 80 bucks in a single hour. So this is the kind of hack that we like to share. And let me know, would you use this hack driving for Uber? You can use it for Lyft as well. And make sure you are signed up for Solo, so when you do go out and drive, maybe you aren't getting those big paying rides, you can at least gonna guarantee your pay. You're hitting that $20.30 hour mark. They have higher paying ones depending on the time of day. And again, you're gonna get $10 when you sign up with their link, and they can help you with your taxes. And lastly, go to carproductsusa.com to get your products that you might need for your car. Keep your car clean with a little car vacuum, 23 bucks. And you'll make more tips. Get a phone mount, get car cleaning products. Wipe down your windows. Your passengers will notice a difference and you will make more tips. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. Let me know your thoughts on this one and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.